everybody, welcome back to Celestial Dolls. I have another mini brand review. I have both some of the book series and some of the fashion series, so I'm going to open that up today and show you what we get. First, I'm going to start with the books. I know there's a new series out now, but they're not on Walmart yet. This is the first series, at least I think. I really want to say it's the first series. I bought them for $5 each. I got 4. They were on clearance, so that was a pretty great deal. I think that's truly because series 2 is out. So let's just open this first one up. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this is a shelf. I can't remember if you always get a shelf with the book series, and I really want to say you do. But all I know is you can really make some bookshelves for the dolls with the ones that are included. So we're going to build this first. Here is the little bookshelf that I made. So let's open up the books. Okay, the first bag has... Ooh, this is... Let's see. Wait, I can't. Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. I'm not a huge book reader. I know, that's sad. And no matter how much I actually want to read some books, I just don't have the motivation. But this seems like a pretty interesting book to read in real life, so you never know. Okay, I think it's a bookmark. Well, no, it can't be. It could be. Oh. Okay. We have Goosebumps, The Night of the Living Dummy. I think I have this one already. And let me just make sure I didn't lose the bookmark. Okay, I don't think that yet. And this one, oops, we have, okay, a bookmark. What does this go to? Doesn't say. Ooh, Diary of the Wimpy Kid, The Last Straw. And this is a a hardcover book, and you get a magnifying glass. Okay, let's see. Here is the checklist, and wait, did we get a legendary book? No, I don't think we got a legendary book, because this is telling me this is supposed to be a hard cover book. Let's see. Okay, so the Diary of a Wimpy Kid is ultra rare. And Pride and Prejudice is rare. Let's see. I know I have this book. Well, no, I have this book actually already. I think this is the one we received. So what's the difference between... Okay, so I got a common. Well, I think this is common. Yes, a common of The Night of the Living Dummy. Alrighty. Up to our next capsule. Before I open up this capsule, I am just going to show you some of the books I already have before. I can't find the third book because you only technically get 3 books in here in these capsules. So The Living Dummy was a double for me. Clueless, I got Clueless. And that's also a rare. Well, before I say rare, Yeah, it's rare. And the third one I can't find. It's somewhere in my little doll area, but I know it has to be one of these two. I'll find it later. But I'm just gonna mark off the ones that I already have. Okay. This is our bookshelf. I'm gonna open that, but let's get to the books. Ooh, this is Lil Sister. That's pretty cute. Let's see. Okay. This is our bookmark, the magnifying glass, and another Diary of the Wimpy Kid. This one's red. I guess this is the first one. So, yeah, lastly. Ooh, Vampire Diaries. That's actually pretty cute. The one thing I definitely do like about the book series is that you can actually like read like the first 2 pages of the book. Like here's Diary of Wimpy Kid. Oh, diary. Here's Diary of Wimpy Kid. And like, and we take our magnifying glass. Like, wait, I think that's the wrong way. Whoops. Like, I need a... Okay, I can't read it. But it's definitely there. The letters are written out. I just can't see because of the camera. But I think that's a pretty cool detail. Whatever. But I do have one already unwrapped before I realized. So we're going to open that. This is Goosebumps Deep Trouble. That's cute. Oh, okay. So here is our bookmark. Okay, I'm like bumping into this thing. Sorry, the magnifying glass and our book, which is Hollow City. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the rain, but it is raining. This is the bookshelf. And our last book, it is... Oh, I actually wanted this. It Starts With Us. This is really cute. I'm definitely more into like horror of everything. But, I don't know. All these books so far have been pretty cute, but I will say so far my favorites are like the actual like horror singly books. Like, never read these books. I heard about this show. I just never really watched it. But I might get into it. And our final capsule. Oh. Okay. Anyway, ignore that. Here's our first book. Let's see what's in here. This is Vampire Diaries. Huh. So I didn't know there was 2 different books of the Vampire Diaries. I guess this one is The Fury and Dark Reunion, and then this one is The Awakening and the Struggle. Cute. Okay. Here is this book. We have a double of the Little Sister. And here is our, wait, no. Yeah, this is our last book. another Diary of the Wimpy Kid. So, and here is our bookmark and magnifying glass. So the Vampire Diaries book is a, let's see, it's giving, it's also common. For the last books, I did forget which ones were like common and rare. So this one is rare, and these two are common. So yeah. And then of course we have our bookshelves, and if I'm not mistaken, you can even like connect the bookshelves together. So that's pretty cool. And it's kind of sad how for like 4 capsules, you will only get like 12 books. I mean, I feel like we don't need the shelves really, but it's all cool. And I even think the book marks even count as a surprise, which I feel is a little sad. But other than that, I'm also very happy with what I got. So let's move on to the Mini Brands Fashion, and this is the series that comes with the shoes, which I think is series 3. So let's open one of those. I did order 6 of these capsules. They were $10 each. So let's open this one. Okay. This one is the bag, which by me watching reviews on the series, I already know what's in here. And it's literally a paint bucket bag. I feel this is definitely like one of the uniquer bags. It opens up. Really cute. It's silver. It's blue. And to be honest, you can even like remove all the hardware and it could literally just be a bag. Not bag. A little like paint bucket. So yeah. Open this. Ooh. Okay, so we get like a bow. And here are the shoes. Oh gosh, you get a cat too? That's pretty cute. Oh, and the head moves. Okay. And here's the other shoe. So here is the collector's guide. This is like all the accessories and some of the shoes. And here is like the bags. So I'm just going to check off what I know I have. So, yeah. So we are going to try on the shoes. I'm going to bring in one of my dolls. Keep in mind, she is hairless and faceless. I'm going to customize her very soon, so stay tuned for one of those videos. But here she is. She is on a mink body, and I think they fit these shoes pretty well. So let's try it. I have no idea how you like typically put on this shoe, but she does like have like an arch. Okay, we're just gonna leave it unstrapped, but here she is, and here what it looks like on one of like the extra feet. I think this one would fit better because it actually has like an arch made for heels. Like, look at that. That is very cute, very cute. Okay, here is, I think this is the accessory. Let's open this one first. We have, oh, this is a cute hat. It's a little bucket hat. Well, here's this hairless doll, and it doesn't fit well. I wonder if it will fit on my doll Kalia. Here she is. The hair definitely helps. That's cute. Okay. Another bow. I think this is the same bow from, well, actually, no, it doesn't come with the bow. This is just from the other set. Never mind. It comes with these pair of glasses. I mean, they're okay. I have a better pair from this series. I think are a lot cuter, but I end up getting wedges that I've been wanting. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Let's put it on one of the dolls. It is okay. I feel it's not like a great size for it. Like this slips in and out. Very much possible that I put it on wrong, but I don't know. I think they're just big. These don't really fit the like extra legs that the main pies come with because they're like a high arch meant for like actual high heels. These are wedges. The wedges are cute. Once I figure out like how to like attach them like the best way I can, it'll be okay. But other than that, these can just be like a display only. But hey, I feel like if you have that Barbie with that orange floral dress, it's a fashionista. I forgot what number she is. These would go great with it. Okay. Now time for the bag. Did I? Oh, I got the white version of this. The other version is pink, and I don't really like pink. But the white version is absolutely really cute. Look at that. It's so adorable. Okay. This is the accessories. It feels like. Let's see, what do you get first? Oh. Oh, these are doubles. Okay. Yeah. These were the glasses I was talking about that were better. I feel like they just look cuter. So, and then I might know what comes with these. I don't know. Because I got these same shoes like one of my older videos and came with different bags. So, okay, yes, I already do have this bag, but hey, I like it. It's cute. I wonder if you can customize some of these bags with like paint for leather, so you can always customize your bags too when you get doubles. Here is the next capsule. Here's the first bag. This feels like something we already received. Oh, so we get a scarf, like or like a bandana. This is really cute. And what's this? Oh, we get some cute. I mean, they're okay. I won't say necessarily cute, but they're okay. With the right outfit, it goes. And there's an extra. Oh wow, we get like this chain with charms. I really want to say it's a belt. I mean, I bet you could use it as a bracelet, but it's just not gonna be secure. I really want to say this is the golden belt. And the chains, there's like bags, the mini fashion logo, a heart, heels. Yeah, these are actually, this is cute. Okay. Now time for the bag. Going by, ooh. This is the like little perfume bottle. That's cute. It's a little like actual like squeezing thing. Does it open? Okay, it does open, I think. Oh, it does. Can't really fit anything in there, but it's really cute. And let's try the shoes on the doll. For the main dolls, it's gonna be weird because even their flat feet has some sort of like an incline to them. So I'm actually gonna try this on my Barbie dolls. Here is one of the Barbies I customized. She's actually an Integra Toy hybrid, but with the feet. Okay. Here are the flats on a regular made-to-move Barbie. I feel like they fit better. Definitely doesn't have like a weird like bulge at the front, but other than that, not bad. Not my personal style, but really not bad. It's cute. Okay. This will be our second to last capsule. Here is the first bag. Oh, this is a heart. It's cute. I know for a fact it opens some shape or form. Like, but where? Maybe like here. Oh, wow. Very cute. Again, I'm not sure what you can put in these bags, but very cute. And the accessories. Okay. We get a necklace. Oh, okay. These are some shoes I've also been wanting for a little bit, but first, before I show you them, a pair of earrings, green and silver earrings. I prefer gold, but that's just me. I feel like they could work for a Barbie with pierced ears. I do have one right here. Okay. Here is another one of my Barbie dolls. That's actually like a Barbie. And she has her ears pierced. Do they fit? Yeah, they fit. Stick out a little bit, but they fit. Okay. Now, here are the shoes. The shoes are so cute, actually. And we're going to try it on the doll. I managed to get this one on the like extra pair of legs, but oh my gosh, these were so difficult to get on. This one, since I was also like using my nail a little bit, ended up like sort of ripping the actual like mesh. So that's unfortunate. But other than that, they are cute. They just look like, I don't know. They're cute. Probably just only for display as well. But other than that, I really like these. And finally, for our last capsule for this video, first we're going to open up the bag. And that's the part. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This is really cute. And it has like a little, has a little bag, and then you can put it inside of the little cage. That's really cute. It's gold with white daisies. And this is one of like the more uniquer bags I like. That's really cute. Okay. Time for the actual accessories. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, apparently I'm just finding some of the bags I've been wanting for a little bit. First, we have this lipstick. And what's so funny is I bought this lipstick off of AliExpress. So now I have another one, and we're going to paint the color a different color. Oh, wow. We get a white and gold bracelet. And then here are the shoes. And again, I saw these. I wanted these. And these are very cute. I'm going to put them on my doll. Here are the shoes. They fit pretty good. Well, they fit better on the other legs because, I mean, again, like I said, it's more of an arch. Obviously, these shoes weren't made to fit, you know, Barbies or Integrity toys, but for the most part, they do fit. And, I mean, I feel like they work. I even got sneakers. I got boots from this series. Did I say books? Boots. I also received boots from the series, which I think personally works well, but they definitely work well on like the separate attachment legs. So yeah, haven't tried them on like a fashion royalty foot, but they might work better with those dolls. Here's the shoe on a fashion royalty foot, and I think it fits better. Because I feel like they even have more of an arch. I will say the Mink Body's feet probably are more to like the size of a Poppy Parker's feet. And those are actually smaller. So I can say might be more equivalent to a Barbie, but think of it more stylized. But yeah, other than that, I actually really like what I gotten so far. I only got one double, surprisingly, and I'm very happy. I even got one of the cats, and there's another cat that is like rare. But I always wanted one of these cats, and the cat is really cute. I will say the red shoes and did I just only, is the red shoes the only thing I will say I like the red shoes, the wedges, and this bag the best. Like, come on, these are super duper cute. And I don't know, I just like what I got so far. So other than that, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I even have an Instagram where y'all can check out. It's going to be posted in the description down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!